Meme coins have been extremely hot, and just recently, XRP meme coins are becoming the talk of the town. So I wanted to do a quick tutorial here so you could get a walkthrough on Dex Screener, how you could find some much needed information if you want to invest or look into some of these XRP tokens or meme coins. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just educational purposes only. But when you go to dexscreener.com, on the left-hand side here, there are quite a few different blockchains you can choose from. We're looking for XRPL. This is going to bring up all the top trending XRP tokens over the past 24 hours. Trending, you can see it's selected at 6 hours. And there's a lot of interesting information. The tokens by rank, the price, the transactions, volume, the number of makers, 5-minute to 24-hour volume, liquidity, and market cap. Two key statistics when evaluating meme coins. Let's search by market cap, and the leader, it looks like, is 129 million, so over $100 million market cap for the core token. Right below that, CTF at 83 million, Army at 61 million, MAG at 37, and of course XPM at 36 million. So there's quite a few tokens here that are in the tens of millions of dollars, and they're becoming bigger talks within circles. If you wanted to invest, let's say, in the Army token, just like other meme tokens or other tokens that you've gotten information on Dex Screener, it is almost identical. You click on the Army token here, as you can see, it's the pairing of XRP. In the upper right hand corner here, there's the contract address. You can click on that little window there, and that will copy the contract address, so you can safely paste this knowing that this is the token you would like to buy. All the key statistics that we talked about a little bit more, and you can see there's even a way where you can get the contract address right here and search their socials and their websites and get some very interesting information. There are a few different ways you can buy these XRP meme coins, and one of the most popular is utilizing the First Ledger trading interface that connects with your Telegram. One way to get there is a Trade XRP button here on the bottom corner of your Dex Screener, and it will ask you to connect your First Ledger wallet. To create a wallet, you can go through the steps there, or you can go to First Ledger, create a new wallet, write down your recovery seed phrase, keep that safe from everyone, and then you'll be able to fund your wallet through a centralized exchange with XRP. Or if you have XRP in another wallet, you could send it to your First Ledger XRP wallet address so you can freely trade these XRP meme coins. If you like these sort of tutorials, remember to like and subscribe, because every single week we're going to be launching new tutorials to help onboard people into the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.